The interlocutory appeal gets denied and the SEC loses that option. The market only goes up 5% on XRP. That's weak sauce. That's telling me that there is no money out there to inflate the crypto market. Dry powder seems to be gone. Prove me wrong, but you know I'm going to have some articles here to share with you. Serious weak sauce on the news and the price action. Brandon Robbins says amazing. Now we have all this good news, but yet the price falls more and more. We had a partial win weeks ago, but yet all the gains we made are gone now. Talking about the Taurus pump. I see people saying $50 per XRP. Meanwhile, we can barely make it to $1 or break the all-time high we had in 2018. How about the fact that we can't even get this thing above 55 cents? Yeah, and we just got some interlocutory appeal action from the SEC. Solana in the red, pumps and dumps. Been telling everyone nothing's lasting. Bitcoin sitting at 27,517 ETH, 1638 XRP. We're going to talk about heavily on the show. 52.2 up 4.7%. Solana starting to retrace a bit. And we've got XLM sitting at 11.1 with HBAR 4.8 and XDC rounding it out at 5 cents. Ripple and the SEC ordered to discuss potential settlements before the final conference. All right, you're going to hear some stuff about this and settlement talk. They're ordered to talk, but there's a little catch with this, and I'll share with you. And there's a reason why the price didn't go up big. And I even said, hey, look, if you're looking for a reason the price to go up big, interlocutory appeal getting denied would be one of them. But this isn't shit. This is definitely weak sauce. Taurus has ordered both parties to discuss a potential settlement. This directive comes in line with the ruling with the SEC's interlocutory appeal request. Both parties, along with the councils, have been mandated by Judge Taurus to hold an in-person meeting for at least 1 hour before the final pretrial conference set in April 2024. This order is consistent with the previous ones given by Magistrate Sarah Neprin, who is supervising the pretrial proceedings. Following the court's summary judgment on July 13th, Ripple and the SEC were directed to select 3 dates for settlement conferences if they deemed it beneficial. Despite having 2 settlement conferences since then, a resolution is yet to be reached. So yes, all they have to do is meet for 1 hour. And you're sitting there going, well, wait a minute, why isn't the price of XRP higher? Because I have been telling everyone this all along. You lose the interlocutory appeal, that's good. That's good for a pump and dump. That's good to make some money. But you can still appeal it once a case is finalized. This doesn't mean that they can't appeal, period. It just means they can't kind of put a pause in and appeal right now, the interlocutory appeal. Appeal in an SEC case, still possible, say experts. A recent motion from the SEC for an interlocutory appeal was denied by the court. However, like many other cases, an appeal might still be in the cards once the full case reaches a conclusion. So now, in 2024, in April, after that is done, and we know what the penalties are for primary sales, jury of peers, then the SEC can still appeal that. That's why this price didn't do much. That's why when you look at it, all right, cool. We took it from 51 cents. We got up to 54.4, 54.5. Come on. Come on. What dry powder is out there in this? I mean, like, look at this. This pump that you got from this news, actual news, like real news happening that benefits XRP, was almost identical in pump as to the proper party nothing burger. So the hype built up to the proper party nothing burger had the same impact on price that actual real news had. Proper party didn't hold, as you can see, retracement. I doubt this is going to hold too. There's no powder out there. I'm telling you, the retail markets are dry, and institutional people aren't going to touch this until the case is done in 2024, and then making sure that the SEC doesn't appeal at that time. So for all you chart princesses out there that are calling for $50 XRP, $100 XRP, we can't even get to 55 cents on the SEC losing and filing for an interlocutory appeal. Come on now. Let's be realistic. This is weak sauce. Institutions are staying the F away because this case is going to drag on for another 6 to 9 months. And then you can have appeals afterwards. People don't want to tie up big money and capital for something that can take another year plus. They know there's other places to make money. They can make money in the meantime until that news happens. But it's by the rumor, sell the news, isn't it? A Solana pump isn't holding. This one here, we didn't even beat 55 cents. Everyone's saying, oh, XRP, the standard. What are you talking about? They get court case news like this. The Taurus pump didn't last. This is what the viewers have been saying. That's what you've been saying. The Taurus pump didn't last. Interlocutory appeal actually gets denied. We get the same pump as a proper party rumor pump? Come on. This is pathetic. And for everyone out there, oh, XRP, promised land, this and that. Really? No one is jumping in on this. The news is not moving the price at all. A lot of you out there have been thinking the same thing. Look, 2024 might be too soon. We might be looking at 2025, 2026 at this rate.